As we have Mr. Vijay Shivtare, Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and Water Resources, Government of Maharashtra, with us today. And he was the chief guest in our event, India's #1 Brand Awards 2017 and India's Most Trusted Companies Awards 2017. Sir, what you would like to say to all awardees today? What is your message for them?
I have really congratulated them, and at the same time what I have said is very important. Getting awards is appreciation of the work which we have done, but at the same time the society expects more than what they have done. So it is a burden and for a further good work. So I have said that you should perform better than this, and what we expect. Earlier everybody knows about China is to be called as a factory of the world. And that is what we want in India. All these entrepreneurs should work hard, work with some further talents, and India should become a world factory. With interacting with all these entrepreneurs and all, I was really happy, and it was a very wonderful evening. I thanks to Mr. Kaushik. This is what a good opportunity to interact with all the people. Thank you very much.
Sir, as we know, there are some brands who are associated with your ministry, like your Water Resource Ministry. So, what's your message for them if they want to do any, volunteer work for you, for your constituency seat, for your department, for your ministry? So, what's your message for them?
If really some industries are there who are related to the water resources, like heavy equipments, then tunnel borings, then dam constructions and all, definitely we welcome all these direct OEMs, actual manufacturers, number one. Number two, as you very correctly said, CSR, corporate social responsibility.
Yeah.
You might have heard about Jalek to Shivar Abhiyan. This is the largest project we took in Maharashtra, whereby 80% of the people, 80% of the farmers who are based only on the natural resources, natural water, we have done a lot of work. This decentralized water storages, deepening and widening of rivers, which nobody have done in India so far.
Yeah.
So, and I'm very happy to say, first time this government project have become a revolution, and a lot of companies have contributed a lot. You will not believe, near about 1,600 kilometers of river widening is done in CSR by the corporate companies. So really this is what a contribution towards the society, and that's what I have said to everybody. Whoever wants to do a good CSR, there are drought-prone areas where we require a lot of funds. Normally, a lot of companies have done like this. We have estimated the projects and all, and we have said that you don't give them, as somebody said, a trust. There were little bit trust deficient in government areas and all.
Yeah.
So that's the reason what we have done. We see the projects, we estimate the projects and all, small projects like cement, bandara, check dams and all, 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs and all. And then we offer to these big companies, your own team you can get this work done, whereby, and you can name your father, you can name your mother or your surname or something of that sort, whereby you will have that enjoyment also of doing some good work and all. So I welcomed all of them, and then I have said that if somebody wants to do this, definitely they should come to me at Mantralaya 203. Whatever the business help, governmental help, or some issues of manufacturing, or some problems from industries. Though I am at water resources, basically I am also in business and industry. I know the problems better. So I will definitely sort it out that if anyone requires that. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
I think it's a very, very good movement which is being conducted by IBC Infomedia, and Mr. Hemantji is doing a real great job. What I can see from this corporate world, I being the Honorary Council of Georgia, I would like to promote a lot of companies to go ahead and do a lot of work in Georgia. In Georgia, we are giving a lot of incentives for the entrepreneurs, and there are a lot of opportunities which they can take advantage of. because the location of Georgia is on the crossroads of South Asia and Eastern Europe. And it's a hub for Turkey, for Armenia, Azerbaijan, and other nearby countries like Russia. And also, we have an FTA agreement coming up with India. And also, we have already signed up an FTA trade agreement with the EU. We are going to be very soon the member of an EU. So any setup which you do in Georgia is going to benefit the entrepreneurs in a very, very big way. So this is a very good opportunity for me to convey to the corporate world, the manufacturing, that they can take real advantage of Georgia. And if they have any queries, they can always come and talk to me.
How was your entire experience today at the awards?
Oh, it was wonderful.
Yes.
It was wonderful. I have been interacting with being in the public with many, but this sort of an award, I think, has given me a bigger opening and a bigger opportunity to interact with the corporate world. It's very nice. It's very interesting.
Sure. Any special message to the awardees today?
I think they should continue working more to get all the time awards. And I would here like to convey one thing very strongly. IBC should also consider giving awards to the startups, because that is a very important issue. The startups should get more encouragement to do well in their business which they are starting.
Sure, sir. And any last messages to your customers, if you could come ahead and anything in particular, sir?
I would say that India is on a roll. We have a lot of things coming up by our Prime Minister,
Sure, sir.
and which are good opening, like GST is a very good opening for a world trade and for inland trade. It has got difficulties in the beginning, but I'm sure that will be ironed out, and having one system always gives you a lot of advantage.
Sure, sir. So thank you so much for having come ahead today.
My
it was
pleasure.
lovely having you as a
My
chief
pleasure.
guest.
Thank you.
Sir, how does it feel to win this prestigious award? If you could just tell us a little bit about yourself, your company, and how does it feel?
सबसे पहले मैं नवरात्रि के अवसर पर सभी लोगों को तिरंगा अगरबत्ती परिवार की ओर से जय माता की, और आईबीसी के द्वारा दोबारा हमें चयनित किया गया है, उसके लिए मैं आईबीसी परिवार का आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं। राष्ट्र की सच्ची सेवा के लिए और परमात्मा को सच्ची और अच्छी चीज़ें उनकी सेवा के लिए पूजा में भी इस्तेमाल हों, इस लगन और समर्पण की भावना से तिरंगा अगरबत्ती आज पुनः बेस्ट अगरबत्ती की श्रेणी में चुना गया है। इसके लिए माता पिता का आशीर्वाद और ग्राहकों का विश्वास और प्यार है। धन्यवाद।
Sure. So any particular message to your customers after winning this award, sir?
मैं अपने जो ग्राहक हैं उनका आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं और विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं कि तिरंगा अगरबत्ती कभी भी उनके विश्वास और भरोसे को रूठने और टूटने का काम नहीं करेगी, बल्कि अपनी गुणवत्ता और मानक की कसौटी पर हमको जो चुनौती है मिली है उसको और अच्छी भावनाओं के साथ और ऊंचाइयों और बुलंदियों पर हम उसे पहुंचाएंगे।
Sure. Congratulations, sir.
थैंक यू।
Congratulating you for winning it for the second time. Thank you.
Dhanyawad.
So firstly, congratulations, sir, for having won this prestigious award. If you could just tell us about yourself, your company, and how does it feel to win this lovely award?
Thank you. Indeed, it was a pleasure. Kautilya Academy has awarded as the #1 Indian brand as in civil services preparation. This award goes actually to Team Kautilya. It's experts, teachers, and students. वो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने पूरे मन से काम किया और रिजल्ट लेके सिद्ध किया कि कौटिल्य एकेडमी की जो तैयारी है वो बेस्ट है। थैंक्स टू IBC Infomedia for this award.
Sure. And any final messages to your customers after having received this lovely award?
Actually, I think this award goes to Team Kautilya. 3 cheers for Team Kautilya. Hip hip hooray.
Sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again. We're here at the media bites of the lovely set of awards which are given out today. And we have our two gentlemen out here. Firstly, congratulations on this.
Thank you. Maheshwara Medical College.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure. So, if you could just tell us about yourself, the company you represent today,
Yeah,
and how does it feel to actually win this award?
Yeah, this is Dr. Krishna Rao. I'm the director for Maheshwara Medical College and Hospital, and he's my colleague Dr. Shivram Reddy, principal for the organization. And first of all, I should thank IBC Info for selecting us to the best of the awards. And second thing is this award we want to dedicate to our pioneer batch of students, parents, as well as all our faculty members and doctors in making us to stand in front of all of the media and getting this award. And secondly, we are also thankful to all the parents in choosing us and making us to be one of the number one brands in India.
Wow, so very well said message which had the message to the customers as well. Thanking everyone.
Thank you.
So thank you so much and congratulations on your award once again.
Thank you. Thank you all.
So very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have from First Object Technologies
Limited, yeah.
So, sir, if you could just introduce yourself, talk
Yeah.
a little bit about your company and how does it
Yeah.
feel to win this award?
Yeah, I'm Dr. Ram from First Object Technologies Limited, and we are into education software actually. We develop e-learning content for different state boards like Maharashtra State Board, Andhra Pradesh State Board, Telangana State Board, and we have also developed the content for CBSE actually. Yeah, we feel that this award is given in recognition of our hard work in developing the digital content for various state boards actually. We are prominent players in Andhra and Telangana states, and we are slowly getting into Maharashtra state also actually.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
So any final set of words for your customers after having won
Yeah,
this award?
customers here they should use our products after seeing our performance actually.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, basically our customers are the students. We have developed the education content for students only.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm here taking the media bites of all the awardees, and sir, if I would like you to introduce yourself
Okay.
and about your company and how does it feel to win this award?
Okay. I'm from Indajiv Commerce Limited. I'm the managing director of the company, and we are into the field of audio-video system integration, where we create various facility. All TV channels are our customers. GTV, India Today, and TV Today is our customer. Besides that, all education institute, corporates, banks, we make the education facilities, e-classrooms, and we are proud to have this award with us. And our message to our customer: keep trusting us as they trusted in several years, and make us the India's most trusted company. And it's my entire credit goes to our team which are working there, because we are at the equipments are available everywhere, but our strength is our people who integrate the system and give the customer satisfaction. Our motto is very simple: we timely delivery, timely installation, and customer satisfaction. Let's keep us moving. Thank you very much.
Sure, and congratulations, sir, and
Thank
wish
you.
you all the best for the
Thank you.
further years.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ma'am, if I could get your final words in winning this award, if you could talk about yourself, your company, and how does it feel to win this award?
Yeah, thank you so much. It's an honor to win this award. I am from Inside Customer Call Solutions, known as ICCS. We are a business process management outsourcing company. We are leaders in the domestic market, and currently we have a strength of 2,500 approximately, and current presence is in Delhi NCR, but you'll soon see us all over India, and we intend to go very aggressively. The domestic market of outsourcing is growing at 33% CAGR, and we intend to be a big part of that growth. So, yeah, and thanks to all our customers, clients, and the team that works within ICCS.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and trust me, you're looking beautiful today.
Thank you.
So much.
Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, up next we've got our awardees. Sir, if you could tell us about yourself, your company, and how does it feel to win this prestigious award?
Thank you so much. This is Parveen Narula from Unison Narula Group. We are in the health sector since 1953, and we are present in 45 countries around the globe, where we export various health products from India. We have our own manufacturing facilities, and we have done more than 110 hospitals on turnkey basis around the world. Winning this award imposes more responsibility on us, that we need to be more we have to be keeping each and every word of what is written on this. So we have to be more trusted company around all those countries where we are exporting. So it's a big responsibility winning this award by itself. And it's an honor that you have selected us. Thank you so much for that.
So, sir, any final words to your customers who have chosen you for this wonderful award?
Yeah, it's feedback which you have collected from various sides and all that. We are thankful to them, and that gives us more responsibility that we need to be evaluating more systems to see how we can improve further on that.
Congratulations once again, sir.
Thank you very
See
much.
at the next award.
Sure.
Thank you very
so
much. Thank you. Thank you.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here at the Media Bites of this wonderful award, and let's move on to our next awardee. So, sir, if you could introduce yourself, your company, and how does it feel to win this prestigious award?
Good evening to you all. I take pride in representing Nyanti Builders Private Limited in the capacity of the Director, Sales and Marketing. And thank you so much for the jury award for